everybody, Kimberly here today, and I'm going to show you how to create envelopes using this new tool from We Are Memory Keepers called the Mini Envelope Punch Board. And it is an adorable little tool, and it comes with the pieces that I've showed you here, the board and the scoring tool. And what I love is We Are Memory Keepers always prints the dimensions on the board, so you can make envelopes from 1 by 1 to 4 by 4. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make a 3 by 4 envelope. Right on the board is listed how big your piece of paper needs to be and where your first measurement needs to go. And I love that. It makes it so much easier. I'm going to do my punch, and then I'm going to score my first line using the score tool. I have a little bit thicker pattern paper here, so it's taking me a couple of scores to get a good crease. Then you rotate your paper and you line up your score line with the little plastic tab that's hanging off the punch. Oh my goodness, that makes it so easy to line things up and so quick. So I've punched, and once again I've scored. I'm going to turn it 90 again, and then I zoomed in a little bit here so you could see how easy it is to line that little tab up with your score and finish off your envelope. Now that I have my envelope ready, what I do is I take that little score tool and I make the creases just a little bit sharper, just to get them to fold a little bit better before I assemble my envelope. And you can see the envelope taking shape already right there. You can go ahead and fold the two flaps in, put adhesive there, and close it up. If you'd like to, you could go ahead and fold that flap over or leave it just as is. Now, the reason I did a 3 by 4 envelope is that journaling cards from pattern paper are 3 by 4 inches. How quick are these Valentines going to be doing a 3 by 4 inch envelope? So quick and easy and so cute. And I'm using the Pebbles Forever My Always line here. So if you're interested in that, I have linked you down below. The other part of this mini envelope punch board that I really like is that it has a corner rounder. So I could round all the corners of my envelope and the corners of my journaling card. The fastest Valentines ever. I love it. So cute, so easy to create. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure you click subscribe for more quick and easy paper crafting tutorials.